Healthy skin isn't just about products, it's about balance. Your skin has a microbiome, billions of good bacteria that protect, repair, and strengthen your barrier. When it's balanced, skin stays calm, resilient, and healthy. Your skin microbiome is your skin's defense system. Rice Ferment Biotics help support good bacteria, strengthen the barrier, and improve skin recovery and stability. Powered by Cica, known for skin repair and collagen support, helping improve firmness, calm irritation, and strengthen skin over time. HYBiome also blends 4 traditional Chinese medicine botanicals: Aucklandia root to support circulation, white peony to soothe and calm stressed skin, Dalbergia to promote blood flow and reduce dullness, and ginseng to revitalize and improve skin resilience. Lightly scented with geranium and rose essential oils, creating a calming, grounding gua sha experience. Microbiome science strengthens the skin barrier. Traditional Chinese botanicals support flow and balance beneath the skin. Aromatherapy helps calm the senses, supporting relaxation, facial tension release, and a more effective massage ritual. Together, they bring the best of Eastern healing and Western science for healthier, more resilient skin. HYBiome Gua Sha Cream, where ancient healing wisdom meets modern microbiome science.